Good day everyone, I am Bitini Elza from BSIT2 Block 2 and my topic is the context of system analyst and design method. So, what is an information system? An information system is a formal socio-technical organizational system designed to collect, to process, store, and distribute information. From a socio-technical perspective, information systems are composed by four components, which is the task, people, structure, roles, and technology. Information system is an integrated set of components for collecting, storing, and processing data and for providing information, knowledge, and digital products. There are seven types of information system applications. First is the Transaction Processing System or TPS is an information system that captures and processes data about business transactions. Second is the Management Information System or MIS, and it is a system that processes for management-oriented reporting based on transaction processing and operation of the organization. So the third one is the Decision Support System, DSS. DSS is an information system that either helps to identify decision-making opportunities or provide information to help decision. So, the fourth one is the Executive Information System or EIS. So, an EIS is an information system that supports the planning and assessment needs of executive managers. So, the fifth one is the Expert System. So, an expert system is an information system that captures the expertise of workers and then simulates the expertise to the benefit of non-experts. So, the sixth one is the communications and collaboration system. So, it enables more effective communications between workers, partners, customers, and suppliers to enhance their ability to collaborate. The last one is the office automation system. So, it supports the wide range of business office activities that provides for improved workflow between workers. So there are five different types of stakeholders. So the first one is the system owner. So system owners is the individual responsible for the overall procurement, development, integration, modification, operation, maintenance, and retirement of an information system. So example, when a vendor sells a turnkey system to a host customer, so the host customer is the system owner. In this case of a lease system, the lessor is the system owner. So the second one is the system user. So system users, it represents server or software that make API calls to access, owned, or managed by a business manager. So there are two types of system users. So the first one is the internal system and the second is the external system user. So the third one is the third types of the stakeholder is the system designer. So there are people who are responsible for the analysis and design of information systems that are involved in the operation of organization. For example, the web architect, the graphic artist, and etc. So, the four types of stakeholder is a system builder. So, a system builder is a technical specialist who construct information system and components based on the design specification generated by the system designer. So, for example, is application programmers, and system programmers. So the fifth one is the system analyst. So system analyst is also known as a business technology analyst, is an information technology professional who specializes in analyzing, designing, and implementing information systems. So, what is the unique role of a system analyst in the development of information systems? So, system analysts guide the development of every system and organization, from the specification of requirements to the design of the system itself. So, they ensure that built system correspond to the system specifications and carrying out system evaluation. What are those skills needed to successfully function as an information system analyst? So, the skills needed to successfully function as an information system analyst are: first is the working knowledge of information technologies, and then computer programming experience and expertise, then the general knowledge of business process and terminology, and the fourth one is the general problem solving skills. The fifth one is the good interpersonal communication skills. Then the good interpersonal relation skills. Then the flexibility and adaptability. And the last one is the character and ethics, which involves the 10 commandments of a computer. So, the current business drivers that influence information system developments. Business will continue to rely on information technology, innovating with information systems with the development of a global business driver. So, global business drivers are the identifying and monitoring the key drivers of your business is critical to boosting profitability. A key business driver is something that has a major impact on the performance of your specific business. So, business drivers includes people, information, and conditions that support business objectives. So, information security activities directly support several common business drivers, including compliance and effort to protect intellectual property. So, describe the current technology drivers that influence information system development. So, first is the network and the internet, and then second is the mobile and wireless technology, and the third one is the object technologies, and the fourth is the collaborative technologies, and the last one is enterprise applications. The types of simple system development process are the system initiation, so the initial planning for a project to define initial business scope, goals, schedules, and budgets. So the second one is the system analysis, so the study of a business problem domain to recommend improvements and specify the business requirements and priorities for the solution. So the third one is the system design. So the system design is the specification or construction of a technical computer-based solution. So for the business requirements identified in a system analysis. So and the last one is the system implementation. So the construction, installation, testing, and delivery of a system into production.